Duda is a landing page software that promises to deliver a unique set of features for building websites and landing pages, but is it the right choice for you? In this video, we'll go over 12 things you need to know before buying Duda, comparing it to other options like Lead Pages, Unbounce, and Instapage. Stick around till the end, where I'll share my final thoughts and a recommendation for a better option if you're looking for something more. First, Duda is known for its user-friendly interface, which is great for beginners and experienced web designers alike. Unlike some other competitors, it offers a drag-and-drop builder with a lot of flexibility in design without feeling overwhelming. This means that even if you're not a coding expert, you can still create professional-looking landing pages. Next thing to consider is its templates. Duda offers a wide range of templates that cater to different industries, from healthcare to real estate. However, while the templates are nice, they can sometimes feel too generic compared to the more unique designs offered by platforms like Unbounce. But Duda still gives you the option to heavily customize them, which is a big plus. The third thing worth mentioning is Duda's responsive design features. Every landing page built on Duda automatically adjusts to fit mobile screens without additional effort. This is especially important today, with more people browsing the web on their phones. Competitors like Lead Pages also offer responsive designs, but Duda seems to execute it with a bit more precision. Fourth thing to know is that Duda allows for multi-user collaboration, which is great for teams. You can assign different roles to team members and control who has access to specific pages. This feature is comparable to Unbounce collaboration tools, but Duda makes it a bit easier to manage with a cleaner interface. The fifth thing to note is its SEO capabilities. Duda has built-in SEO tools that help you optimize your landing pages for search engines. You can easily edit meta tags, add structured data, and track your performance. It's a solid feature, but Lead Pages and Instapage offer more comprehensive SEO features that might appeal to those needing extra help in this area. Next up, Duda's integrations. It supports a variety of third-party apps, from Google Analytics to MailChimp. While this is great for streamlining your marketing efforts, platforms like Unbounce and Lead Pages have even more integrations available, giving you more options if your business relies heavily on external tools. The seventh thing you should know is about Duda's A/B testing features. It's an important part of optimizing your landing pages for conversions, and Duda does it well. However, compared to other platforms like Instapage, Duda's testing features are a bit less robust, which might be a deal breaker if you're running more complex campaigns. The eighth thing to mention is Duda's hosting. Unlike Lead Pages, which charges extra for hosting, Duda includes it as part of the package. This means you won't have to worry about additional hosting fees or dealing with third-party hosting providers. It's a convenient all-in-one solution. The ninth thing worth mentioning is the pricing. Duda's pricing is on the higher end compared to competitors like Lead Pages, making it less appealing if you're working with a tight budget. However, if you're looking for advanced features like collaboration tools and responsive design, the cost might be justified. The 10th thing to note is its customer support. Duda offers 24/7 support via live chat, email, and phone. While their customer service is solid, some users have mentioned that response times can be slower compared to the more immediate support offered by platforms like Instapage. The 11th thing to keep in mind is Duda's white label feature, which allows agencies to brand the software as their own. This is a powerful tool for marketing agencies that want to offer landing page services without revealing the underlying software. This is a feature that sets Duda apart from other landing page builders. Finally, the 12th thing to know is that Duda offers a 14-day free trial, so you can test everything out before committing. This is similar to most competitors, but with its range of features and customizations, Duda stands out as a solid option for building landing pages. So, is Duda the right choice for you? It's a great platform with a strong feature set, but if you're looking for something with more in-depth A/B testing, advanced SEO tools, and a lower price point, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.